Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create webinars with Zoom detailed guide step by step clearly. To create a webinar with Zoom, start by logging into your Zoom account. Navigate to the My Account section. On the left sidebar, find and click on Webinars. Select the Schedule a Webinar button. Fill in the webinar details such as topic, description, and date. Choose the start time and duration for your webinar. Decide whether to enable or set the maximum number of attendees if required. Select whether to enable a video option for hosts and panelists. Choose the audio options according to your preferences. Enable any necessary features like live streaming, recording, and question and answer sessions. Once all details are filled out, review the settings for accuracy. Click the Save button to finalize your webinar setup. After saving, you will see a webinar summary page. Copy the invitation link to share with your participants. Consider customizing the registration settings if you opted for registration. Set up reminders for your attendees by sending calendar invites. Before the webinar, conduct a practice session to familiarize yourself with the interface. On the day of the webinar, log into your Zoom account at least 30 minutes early. Check your audio and video settings to ensure everything is functioning properly. Once ready, start the webinar by clicking the Start button. Engage with your audience and monitor the chat for any questions. After the webinar, you can review the recording and attendee reports. Use the feedback to improve future webinars. Follow these steps to create an engaging and effective webinar using Zoom. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.